Hey, everybody. So I know some of you have been reaching out as you're not too familiar with Canva. And I thought I would make a short video to show you how to use Canva to make a brochure that you might want to use for your cancer culminating project. You don't have to use a brochure. There are lots of options, as you can see. So if we look at the screen, you have a whole bunch of templates you can choose from. If you're interested in making a poster, there's that option. If you want to make an infographic, that option is there as well. But if you look at the Explore templates, brochure is one of the choices. So if you click on brochure, it takes you to a new page. Now, these brochures are all ones that someone has already created. And if you really like the looks of one, you can grab that one and then just pull out the information and put your information in. So I'll give you a quick example with that one. Let's say I really like this one. So I bring this one up, I have a look at it to make sure, is this one that I actually really like? If it is, you see this purple option link here, customize this template. It allows you to grab that template and then change it to what you want it to be. You can change the background color, you can change these little accessories. So maybe I want to take the purple ribbon out, or I want to take the picture out and put something new in. I can do that. I can also move the writing around to put it in a different position. I can change what's inside it. I just double click, I delete it, and I write in cancer. And so I make it my own by doing that. When you're done, just make sure that you save it. Up here on the top, that's where you would change the name of it. So because you're turning it into something that's yours, you might want to rename it Cancer Culminating Project or Paula's Attempt at a Brochure, whatever works best for you. There are elements on the side here that you can use. So say I'm like, okay, this picture goes great for understanding Rett syndrome, not so great for what I'm doing. So I'm going to delete just that picture and I'm going to put a new picture in. So I can come over here and I can go, do I want to put a graphic in, a shape, an animation? I got all these options here. Maybe I don't want to do that. Maybe I want to upload my own picture or grab one from the internet. I could do that. Or it goes on and on. If I want to add different types of text, I can do this. I can add a text box if there's not one already there. And these are different size fonts and headings I can use. So for that picture, I'm going to want to replace it. So I'm going to put in, let's see, I'm going to put in, if it was a cancer project, maybe I want, let's see, sorry, I should have thought of something before I cancer ribbon. And see, it generates all these different things. So I'm going to go with this nice ribbon. It's way too big, obviously. So I just grab that corner. I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to move it into here and shabam, I've got my ribbon in. So you can do all that. But you might be saying, you know what? I don't want to customize someone else's. I want to make my own. And that's fine too. I'm going to go back to home. I'll get rid of this. I'm back here. I'm going to go back into the brochure. And this time I'm going to create a blank one. So I'm going to just grab this blank one. And now I have to build it from scratch. Now again, it's going to help me on the side here with templates. But I could just choose styles and it would let me have like main colors. Maybe I love this set. And so it's going to let me do that. And then if I want to change the color to something a little lighter, I go here. If I want to do ask Canva for help or change, maybe I'm going to add a little comment. There we go. So that's just a comment for me. I want to add a text box. So I'm going to pop in. Here we go. And that's the beginning of creating my pamphlet. There's so many options. It's almost endless, to be honest. I don't want you to spend crazy amounts of time on this because obviously it's the information that's important, but you do want to show that you've put effort into making it look good. So think about doing that. You don't have to do it through Canva. I just find Canva fairly user friendly, and it takes some of that stress off of getting your lines organized and making the pamphlet look good. Anyway, if I can help you some more, please reach out and have fun building your brochure.